Copilot notebooks just got smarter. And these are 5 new features for the improved experience. By the way, my name's Amy. Let's nerd out. Before we jump in, I wanted to quickly touch base on access as well as address what notebooks are. So, to access Copilot notebooks, we need to have a Copilot premium license. So, from the Microsoft homepage shown on the screen here, on the bottom left, you'll see that I have M365 Copilot Premium. So this means that I have the Copilot add on license, which gives me access to the work toggle from the regular chat area, as well as advanced tools, including notebooks. So if you are new to notebooks, then notebooks bring the power of AI into a notebook, allowing us to organize our content, such as client information or projects, launch information into a notebook so that we can then have focused conversations with Copilot. We also have the ability to have the research agent in these notebooks. So it's a very powerful tool for kicking off a new project where research is involved. If notebooks are new to you, then I will include a link in the description to my full tutorial. So otherwise, let's jump on into these 5 new features. And number one is the overview page. So when we open up a new Copilot notebook, we'll automatically land within the overview area, which is an AI generated page providing a summary as well as key insights to allow us to quickly get up to speed on our notebook. And just note here that this is a read only document, so we aren't able to edit it at this moment in time. And we can also easily toggle to these different sources to quickly jump to those areas of the notebook within the overview. Number two is richer reference documents. So, references are documents that we have added to our notebook as sources so that we can ground our Copilot chat on this content. Now, this area has been evolving, and previously we were quite limited on the types of documents that we could add, such as, just being able to add Word documents. But now, if we add this reference, then you'll see that we have pages, we have PowerPoint presentations, we have loop pages, and it's not showing up here, but we are even able to add OneNote pages, which has been a huge requested feature. And we can also see that we're able to add those Excel documents as well. So Microsoft is continuing to improve and add new reference documents that will be available to us. And just note that when these documents are stored within the cloud, so either in your OneDrive or SharePoint, then those documents are automatically going to update here because they're just links. So that just ensures that your Copilot chat conversations are always going to be working off the most up to date content. Number three is the new design. So we have a 3 column layout here, which allows you to easily access your reference documents as well as view the page that you are currently working on, or in this case, that page overview, and then also have those chat conversations. Now, if you find that this is too small or too big, then we can also adjust the chat pane there. And if we go and start a new page, then we can easily have new conversations with Copilot. And if we want to add this chat conversation to a page, then we can simply click this plus icon down below. Then now we have added this content as a reference source to our notebook. So these notebooks are constantly evolving, allowing you to adapt your research and have those grounded conversations with Copilot. Number four is new create options. So from the left navigation here, we've seen that we can create a new blank page. However, we can also expand the drop down here for quick create. Now, right now, the only option that's available for me is audio overview. However, there are going to be some new features coming here soon, including a study guide, which will help you create flashcards and quizzes for your content, which can be a super powerful tool. So keep an eye out for those new options as they are going to be rolling out soon. And number five is the ability to share our notebooks to unlock collaboration. So from the top of the left navigation here, we can see that we can invite and manage members. So here we can add a name, an email, or even a group of people to share our notebook with. Now, just note that all of the notebook content and links are shared. However, the chats and the audio overviews stay private. So that is something to be mindful of. When we are sharing a notebook, we are also automatically sharing all of the files that are a part of that notebook with these people. So we just need to be mindful about the content that we are going to be sharing. And if you want the full tutorial walkthrough of notebooks, then you can check out this video here.